Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. These are general collective readings. Sagittarius will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin our reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Sagittarius, let's start with our reading now. This going to be a small little mini love bite as always, just a small 9-card spread. And welcome back my subscribers, welcome in newbies. Thank you so much for being here. Newbies, if you enjoy the reading, do subscribe to the channel. And the cards right now that I have on the table for you, Sagittarius, are the Four of Wands, the Tower, Devil, the Empress, Two of Wands, and the Chariot. Ace of Pentacles, the Strength card, and the Six of Pentacles. And bottom of my spread, I have the Ace of Wands. So from what I feel, there is some major decision to be made here regarding a connection, something which didn't have equal give and take. So let's start with some dialogue message cards and see what's really going on here. So Sagittarius and their person, spirit. Sagittarius and their person, if they could say something to each other. Thank you. Sagittarius and their person. Thank you. And a couple from here, and we're good to go. All right. So Sagittarius, let's begin your reading. The first card here that I have says, I haven't been loyal to you. Sorry. Let me retract that. I have been loyal to you. Can you honestly say you've been loyal to me? Loyalty to me is knowing that you can trust someone with your mind, body, heart, soul, and life. Being a faithful and reliable partner always. So there is an Empress here, right, who obviously has been, an Empress is always loyal, always kind, always good. So kind of now there's a decision to be made because they don't know maybe if their partner's always been trustworthy. I write you messages and delete them because I just don't know what to say. I am so sorry because I know that my silence is hurting you. I'm healing and trying to find my strength to be honest with you about how I truly feel. I love you not only for your beauty but for your soul. Our love will be alive forever because of the way you are, pure, true, authentic, real, raw, and passionate. So even though their partner knows, they haven't said anything, and I think this Empress has started doubting that, I can't believe how much time we've wasted on bullshit. The silence is so unbearable between us. I wonder if you're punishing me because of the 3D challenges, or did I push you away due to believing that the obstacles in our lives were too great to overcome? I surrender and trust in God and divine timing. If it's meant to be, it will be. Love and being loved is the most beautiful, crazy, unexpected, and magical feeling I've ever felt. Thank you for loving me the way that you do. I love you to infinity. I'm afraid of losing you. I have to juggle a lot of responsibilities right now. I feel so much passion for you. All right, Sajis, if that seems like your story, let's start with the reading. I'm going to top this with an angel blessing card to see what my angels have for you first. A blessing, guidance, advice, or message. Sajis, you get the card of steady progress. So you may not feel things are moving at the moment. Maybe there's silence. Maybe one doesn't know what the other one is doing or thinking. So my angels are saying, just take each day as it comes. Things will unravel. Like the card said, If it's meant to be, it will be. Okay? Don't put your life on hold. Keep making steady progress. Don't wait around for anyone. All right, Sajis, the first card I have here is the Four of Wands with the Tower and Devil. Okay, these are crazy cards to get with the beautiful cards like the Four of Wands. So yes, there may have been hope for a Four of Wands, but something, yep, there was a lot of love here at one point. There was attraction, there was a feeling that this is a soulmate connection. But I think somebody right now is healing from this tower moment that's happened. Maybe somebody made a choice here and that created some kind of an imbalance in this connection. What's this devil card, Spirit? What's this devil card? Yes, the injustice. I just spoke about that, right? There's some kind of injustice which has happened, which... one more for the devil, Spirit. What happened with the devil energy? One more. I think the worst is already over, Sagittarius. Whatever happened, this was probably in the past. Maybe it's the backlash of whatever has happened which is still keeping somebody stuck here. But the worst is already over. There has been some time now to heal and reflect, and somebody is now ready to... This has just been like that, I don't want things to change. I don't want to forget. I don't want to... It's just like fear of change, basically. Somebody who's trying to prolong this feeling or just kind of overthinking this and resting and reflecting and healing from whatever has blown up in this connection. But I think somebody is ready now, from what I see. Somebody is now ready for action once again. But there is a choice to be made here. Sagittarius, the Empress, Spirit. Empress. Yeah, somebody feels they had bad luck, and as much as they wanted things to move forward, things just kind of fell apart here. The Four of Wands in reverse with the Judgment in reverse, meaning somebody was really, really hoping, wishing, waiting for things to start moving, or for their partner to make some kind of a decision. But the message or information that they received that somebody was not going to, or they didn't want to fight for this connection. What's this Chariot card, Spirit? Chariot. Chariot. The love is kind of drained out of this connection now, Sagittarius. Maybe somebody found out that somebody was either juggling. Maybe that's the reason things have come to an end here. But there are still sweet memories. They're still hoping, wishing that even though things have kind of stagnated at the moment, if I wait around, somebody will be back. They're still hoping for this fresh new beginning, that things will restart once again. They're holding on to the thought still that, my person will be back. Even though it's been an imbalanced relationship. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. And the Strength card, Spirit. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. Somebody's still hoping for this, stable new beginning, even though right now there may be barely any communication. Maybe things are seeming like they're totally ended, finished, over, but somebody's still hoping for a return. Maybe, my person will return back once again and we can re-begin and stabilize this connection. Somebody is holding on very strong to that belief, even now. Strength card, Spirit. Strength card. Strength card. Strength card. Same, I think it's the same thing again and again. Even though there's no working together right now, somebody's still hoping that, their person is going to come back and speak the truth, and they will come and talk to me sooner than later. Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Yes, there is too much waiting going on. This is an imbalanced relationship at the moment, Sagittarius. I know somebody is not happy right now with the way things are. They are waiting for the day they will get unstuck. They're keeping themselves stuck and not making steady progress in their own life, because they're waiting for the day that their person will be back. Look at the amount of waiting. Waiting and waiting. This person is not moving an inch. Holding on, waiting, keeping their life on hold, that one day I will get unstuck. Anything else for Sagittarius, Spirit? Anything else for Sagittarius? See, that's what I'm saying. There are two people who are right now in an imbalanced connection. There is a feminine energy, Queen of Wands in reverse, which means they're angry and upset that things haven't moved forward. They were dealing with an Emperor in reverse, who is a very controlling kind of a character, who, it's always my way or the highway. They always like to be the dictator of the relationship, basically. And there have been conflicts in this connection. A lot of conflicts, a lot of competition, conflicts. But I do see somebody still not giving up, still waiting, and not moving their own life forward. So my angels are this is the message from the angels, saying keep making steady progress in your own life. Don't wait for anyone. If they have to come back, they're going to catch up with you sooner than later. Okay? So Sagis, that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.